Alright, so I chanced on this airdrop yesterday. That's the Beamable Network, and I made a little inquiries on it, and it is quite new, so you can actually hop on it. I'll be leaving the link down in the description of this video, so that you can go sign up. But then I'll be taking you through how to sign up and do few tasks, and position yourself for this airdrop in this video. And I'll be sharing some information about them in this video too. So let's get started. So first off, when you click on the link, it is going to bring you to their sign up page. So this is their sign up page, but then let's check their funding first. So I made a little inquiries and I found out that they have this amount of funds. Yes, 13.5 million funds, and they have some investors too. So these are their investors. Yes, you have the Bitcraft P2, we have the P2 punks and stuff like. Yes, so they have funding and they have some investors too, and it is very new, so I'm sure they are going to raise more funds and get more investors as well. So that's for the funds and investment side. So let's come back to the site. So in order to get started, you are going to key in your email here. So let's say I'll be putting my email, let's say me@gmail.com. then I'll click on verify. Yes, you are going to send a verification link to the email. So you are going to see something like this. Okay, so welcome back Beamable Hub. You click on it like this, then you click on secure login. Once you click on this secure login, it is going to open a different tab for you. Then it will take you to their home page, another home page aside the login page. So that one is quite different from the new page they are going to open for you. So once you click on it, you come to a page like this. Alright, so this is the page you are going to get. So when you get here, the first thing you have to do is click on start. Then you complete all the taxes here. You complete all. So you connect your X account, you follow them, you share, follow a couple of people they ask you to follow. And after everything, you come here and you click on this claim. You're going to see this claim here. Once you are done with all these ones, you click on this claim. Yes, and after that, you head on to the endpoint tab. You click on it like this. You click on quest. So you see this tax here. It's an X tax. Then you do the necessary thing you have to do. Then you come and claim your points. So that's the only thing you have to do for this whole airdrop, and I'm sure they are going to roll out new things in the future. But then for the meantime, this is the only thing you have to do to position yourself for this airdrop. Yes, this is the only thing you have to do to position yourself for this airdrop. Okay,